Hi, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this spectacular Jaguar E-Pace. It's a D240 R-Dynamic HSE finished in Fuji White. This is a stunning looking vehicle, having covered just over 21,000 miles. Starting with the front, and this E-Pace features the menacing gloss black radiator grille with matching gloss black grille surround and R-Dynamic badging. Lower black side intakes follow, along with a black lower grille, helping to create that dramatic design. LED headlights with signature daytime running lights are also equipped, not only looking the part but also helping in a range of different driving conditions. This vehicle also wears the incredible 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, which complement the car really well, along with matching gloss black side vents featuring Jaguar script and HSE badging. The body colour door mirrors follow, and this vehicle also features keyless entry as shown here on the door handle. Gloss black window surround follows, along with rear privacy glass, which is ideal for backseat passengers. This vehicle also features a fixed panoramic roof, and yet another look now at those gorgeous 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Stepping away from the Jaguar E-Pace now, and you can really begin to appreciate just how amazing this vehicle looks. Progressing towards the rear of the Jaguar E-Pace now, and you're presented with a sporty body-coloured integrated roof spoiler, along with a continued rear privacy glass and relevant Jaguar model badging stating E-Pace and D240 all-wheel drive. This vehicle also features the gorgeous LED rear tail lamps, along with a lower black and body coloured bumper with dual exhausts. This Jaguar E-Pace features an electric tailgate, which means one simple button press will automatically open the boot lid, revealing that generous 577 litre boot, which could comfortably accommodate multiple carry-on suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. Lifting up the boot flooring also reveals a spare space-saver wheel, ideal for if you ever find yourself caught out. To close, simply press the button located on the bottom of the boot lid and it will close automatically, a really nice and convenient feature. Jumping inside now, and you're presented with the gorgeous ebony leather interior, where R-Dynamic metal tread plates greet you upon arrival, along with an R-Dynamic branded multifunctional leather steering wheel and digital instrument cluster. The neatly designed center console follows, complete with a built-in touchscreen display and leather-trimmed gear selector. This interior also features a Meridian sound system, which sounds fantastic, along with heated and electric memory ebony leather seats featuring contrast stitching. Push-button start, and this Jaguar E-Pace springs into action, revealing the clean and responsive digital instrument cluster, along with the fantastic central touchscreen display, which provides access to a wide range of functions as demonstrated here. Selecting navigation presents you with another clean and responsive layout, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning that you will get to your next destination in no time at all, and most importantly, feeling refreshed. Media is also available, allowing you to choose from a wide array of your favourite radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. A phone option is also provided, allowing you to connect your device via Bluetooth, which is perfect for conducting hands-free calls on the go. The heated seats can also be accessed, allowing you to tailor your cabin experience further. And lastly, the rear reversing camera can also be displayed, and when selecting reverse, yellow guidelines will appear, helping you to get in and out of those tight spaces. Lower down houses the brilliant dual zone climate control, which is perfect for setting individual temperatures between you and your passenger. The sleek gear selector follows, along with dual cup holders and additional armrest storage. Another really nice feature is a fixed panoramic roof, where one simple button press will automatically retract the headlining like so, revealing vast amounts of light into the cabin, which truly enhances the experience. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, featuring matching rear ebony leather seats with contrast stitching and integrated ISOFIX points. Rear Meridian door speakers follow, along with rear luggage netting and dual air vents with a 12V power supply. The rear passengers can also benefit from a retractable armrest, which houses space for 2 cups and additional storage. If this gorgeous Jaguar E-Pace is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team at Jaguar Crewe on 01270 445 200, and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you.